everybody. My name's Brandon Barnes. I'm here with my wife, Shauna, and of course, friends, family, loved ones, and acquaintances. Again, I guess first off, I just want to thank everybody for coming out today. Really means a lot that y'all come out to support me and my wife, family, and of course this business. Just want to start with that we've been abundantly blessed. God has just absolutely blessed us far beyond measure. A little bit about the business. Sean and I, we bought this a little over a year ago. We bought it in March of 2023. Bought it with some friends, Tanya and Aaron McIntosh in Poplar Bluff. And I remember thinking to myself, like, how am I going to tell my wife that I'm buying a laundromat? She's been awesome, been very supportive, and we did it. We never had any, I don't do any laundry, so my wife can attest to that. So it was a complete by the whim. But it's worked out great for us. In April, just this past April of 2024, we did a complete remodel inside and out, fresh paint, new dryers, all that new metal to give it a nice industrial look. We wanted to kind of keep it. We've heard that this was like still a laundromat back in the 1960s, maybe even sooner. And so we wanted to kind of keep it retro, but yet still modern. So we went with the black and white look. Corey has done some great vinyl design work for us. As far as Dirty Drawers itself goes, we're located here at 1107 Highway 62 West. You can reach us at 870-425-8850. I've got Ebony here. We've also got Kathy that control our drop-off services. So you can either stop by and do your laundry yourself, bring your quarters, your dollar bills. We've got change machines. Or you can get a hold of these girls. You can drop off whatever you need. Commercial customers, we also do pick up. And, you know, more or less to say, drop your drawers here. So, but anything else I need to say? I think that hits it. With that being said, let's cut the ribbon. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna say drop your drawers and cut it. All right? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Drop your drawers. Woo!